Hi, good morning to all students. In that video, we are discuss about the uses and environmental effects of polyhalogen compounds. Environmental effects or side effects of polyhalogen compounds. The first, that is dichloromethane or methylene chloride, which have the formula that is CH2Cl2. That is dichloromethane or methylene chloride. Uses, there is two uses and two side effects or environmental effects of that dichloromethane. The first use, that is it is used as a solvent. It is used as a solvent. And the second one is it is used a propellant in aerosols. Propellant means the material by which on lowering the pressure of the bottle or container gives out that, as like the spray or perfume spray. When the pressure is lower or when the knob is pressed, the perfume is out, or uh, by the lowering pressure the material is got it out, as like a gas is known as propellant in aerosols. The environmental effect: overexposure to dichloromethane causes dizziness, nausea, headache, weakness. That is the all type of symptoms of illness by exposure to dichloromethane causes the symptoms of illness, that is dizziness, nausea, headaches, weakness. The second one, it is highly dangerous if direct contact with eyes. It is dangerous to eyes or exposed to direct exposed to eyes, it is very dangerous. The second one, that is chloroform or trichloromethane, which have the formula that is CHCl3, trichloromethane, or it is also known as chloroform. Uses, that is there is two uses of chloroform. It is used as a solvent for extraction of natural products like gums and fats. From the large material, we can extract gums and fats by using chloroform. It is used to prepare chlorofluoromethane, used a refrigerant R22. In a refrigerator, there is many type of gases. That is chlorofluoromethane is also used as a refrigerant R22 in a refrigerators. Environmental effect or side effect, that is chloroform causes depression of central nervous system. It is affected on central nervous system. Long exposure to chloroform may affect liver. Long exposure to chloroform, it may also affect on liver. The third one, that is carbon tetrachloride or tetrachloromethane, which have the formula CCl4, carbon tetrachloride or tetrachloromethane. The uses of carbon tetrachloride, that is it is very useful solvent for oils and fats. In oils and fats, carbon tetrachloride is used as a solvent. It is used as a cleaning agent. It is also that carbon tetrachloride is used as a cleaning agent. Environmental effect or side effect, that is it is highly toxic to liver. Carbon tetrachloride is highly toxic to liver. Prolonged exposure may cause death. If the use of that carbon tetrachloride is prolonged, then it may causes to death. The next one, that is iodoform or triiodomethane, which have the formula as like chloroform. It is iodoform, CHI3, triiodomethane or iodoform. The uses of iodoform, that is it is used in medicine as healing agent. to get more medicine or increasing the matter of medicine, healing agent. It is used in medicine as a healing agent. And the second one, it is used as antiseptic in dressing of wounds. Dressing of wounds or skin cuts, it is used as a antiseptic. The environmental effect, it causes irritation to skin and eyes. When the iodoform is directly used on skin, it is irritated. You are already known as iodine is irritated to skin and eyes. It may causes respiratory irritation or breathing difficulty. It is also, if the large amount of iodoform is used, it is also respiratory irritation and breathing difficulties. Then after, the furands, that is chlorofluorocarbons are known as furands. CFC means chlorofluorocarbons, one carbon, two carbon, or many, that is chlorofluorocarbons are known as freons. Uses, chlorofluorocarbons are commonly used as refrigerants. Before it, we are discuss about it, that is chlorofluoromethane. As like that, chlorofluorocarbons are commonly used as refrigerants. They are used as blowing agents in making foams and packing materials. That means, to make the packing materials, the gas will be blowing. That gives the shape or size of that material, packing materials or foams. That gas is used for blowing agent. Then after, the environmental effect or side effects, it is responsible for ozone depletion. That means, it is decreases the ozone from the earth surface, that is the ozone depletion. Large inhalation of freons results in breathing problems, organ damage, loss consciousness. If large inhalation of freons result in breathing problems, organ damage, loss of consciousness, that means in Marathi बेशुद्ध होणे, loss of consciousness. And the last one, that is dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. Dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, that is also known as DDT. DDT powder, you are already familiar with that DDT powder or Gamexin powder. Uses of that, it is used as insecticidal to kill insects such as mosquitoes, houseflies, mosquitoes, dust, houseflies, mashi. It was used for controlling malaria and typhus. Then after, the side effect of that DDT, that is dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, exposure to high doses of DDT may causes vomiting. If there is a high dose on a surface of earth near to human beings, that is causes vomiting. Adverse effect, that is another effect. Adverse effect of DDT on liver and respiration. Adverse effect of DDT on liver and respiration. So it have banned to use because it is harmful to liver and respiratory system. The structure of DDT is as like that. There is the parent chain ethane. There is one carbon atom. Here is one carbon atom. The first carbon atom attached to 3 chlorine groups, and the second carbon atom attached to 2 phenyl groups, and that 2 phenyl groups are attached to chlorines each one. So it have dichloro. One is here, one is here. Dichloro, diphenyl. phenyl ring, one is here, one is here. Diphenyl, dichloro, diphenyl. Then after trichloro, 1 2 3 trichloro. There is two carbon atoms, one is here, one is here, so it is ethane. Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane, the structure of that DDT. In that way that chapter is completed. In the next video or in the next period I will give notes of that chapter and some questions to exercise or solve in homeworks. Thank you.